Hello everyone, my name is Fazli Julian Rahim. Today I'm going to present about adverb of frequency atau kata keterangan frekuensi. This word tells us how often something happens or seberapa sering sesuatu terjadi. This topic is important because it helps us describe habit or daily routine. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar apa itu adverb of frequency dan bagaimana penggunaannya dalam kalimat. Understanding how often something happens. Adverb of frequency help us explain how often we do an activity. For example, when we say I exercise, we don't know how often. But when we say I always exercise in the morning, it becomes clear that's a habit. Jadi, adverb of frequency membuat kalimat kita jadi lebih jelas dan spesifik dalam menggambarkan kebiasaan kita atau habit kita. Alright, now let's start with a simple question. What is a frequency adverb? Nah, sekarang mari kita mulai dengan pertanyaan sederhana. Apa itu frequency adverb? A frequency adverb is a word that tells us how often an action happens. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, frequency adverb adalah kata keterangan yang menjelaskan seberapa sering suatu tindakan ini dilakukan. For example, words like always, usually, sometimes, and never, they all describe how frequently something occurs. Contohnya, like always, usually, sometimes, and never. So basically, when you heard someone say, I always wake up early or she never eats breakfast, the word always and never show frequency. Ini menunjukkan seberapa sering kebiasaan itu dilakukan. In short, a frequency adverb help us answer one main question, how often. Singkatnya, frequency adverb membantu kita menjawab pertanyaan utama, seberapa sering. Key question, how often? We use the question how often to ask about frequency. Misalnya, how often do you play football? Jawabannya bisa seperti ini, I play football twice a week. So, setiap kali ada pertanyaan how often, ini berarti kita diminta untuk menjelaskan seberapa sering suatu aktivitas itu dilakukan. Two main types, indefinite and definite frequency. There are two main types of frequency adverb. So, for the first, indefinite frequency yang tidak menunjukkan waktu tertentu, like always, sometimes, or never. The second, definite frequency yang menunjukkan waktu jelas dan terukur, like a daily, weekly, or once a year. So, indefinite means tidak tentu, while definite means pasti ataupun spesifik. Now, let's take a look at this chart. Di sini kita bisa lihat tingkatan dari adverb of frequency berdasarkan seberapa sering suatu aktivitas itu dilakukan. Yang paling atas, or the top, or we have always, yang artinya ini selalu. Lalu ada usually, frequent, often, sometimes, occasional, seldom, rarely. Hampir sama. Dan yang paling bawah ini never. Yang artinya ini tidak pernah. So, as you can see, the higher the position, the more frequent the activity happens. Semakin tinggi posisi kata, itu semakin sering kegiatannya dilakukan. So, let's look at the sentence structure part below. Di bagian bawah ini menunjukkan bagaimana posisi adverb dalam kalimat. For positive sentence, if we use a main verb, the structure is subject, frequency, adverb, plus main verb. For example, he often cook pasta. Atau dia sering memasak pasta. If the sentence used to be a verb, the adverb comes after it. For example, you're always late. Atau kamu selalu terlambat. Now for the question, kita letakkan adverb antara actually verb and subject. For example, are you always late? Does he often cook? Jadi posisinya tetap sama, tapi dekat dengan kata kerja. dan bukan di akhir kalimat. So, this chart helps us remember both how often something happens and where to place the adverb in the sentence. Atau grafik ini membantu kita memahami tingkat frekuensi dan aturan penempatannya dalam kalimat. Let's move to the placement rule. Rule number 1. Before the main verb. Kita harus meletakkan adverb sebelum main verb atau kata kerja utama. For example, I always exercise in the morning. Atau, saya selalu berolahraga di pagi hari. Another example, the office is never closed early. The weather is sometimes cold. So, posisi adverbnya tetap setelah to be. Ini teman-teman bisa lihat contoh aturan 1. Mulai dari always, usually, often, frequent, general, sometimes, occasional, rarely, seldom, hard, ever, and never. So, for the rule number 2, after the verb to be. Kalau ada kata kerja to be, like is, are, was, were, maka adverb diletakkan setelahnya. Example, he is always happy. Atau dia selalu bahagia. Another example, like the office is never closed early, like the weather is sometimes cold. Jadi posisi adverbnya ini setelah to be. The third rule between actually and main verb. Kalau ada kata kerja bantu seperti can, should, has, atau will, letakkan adverb di tengah. For example, I can help, I can always help. She has never visited Paris. We should usually check first. We can also ask about the frequency using questions like, how often do you go to school? How often does he play football? Or, seberapa sering kamu pergi ke sekolah dan seberapa sering dia bermain sepak bola? Now, let's do a quick exercise. Coba tentukan di mana letak adverb dalam kalimat berikut. Remember the three rules sebelum main verb, setelah to be, atau di antara actually dan main verb. For the number 1, he is late sometimes. Ini kalimat dasarnya, dan jawaban yang benar, he is sometimes late. For the second, I check my email often. Jawaban yang benar, I often check my email. Number 3, they visit us rarely. And jawaban yang benar, they rarely visit us. And the last, we have seen it, we have never seen it. So, to summarize, adverb of frequency help us describe how often something happens. Kita bisa tahu apakah suatu kegiatan dilakukan selalu, kadang-kadang, atau tidak pernah. Thank you for listening. Terima kasih atas sudah menyimak. I hope you understand this topic better now.